So for many years, the Alalā population in the wild started to decline, and it got down to extremely low numbers of only about 20 birds left in the wild back in the 1990s. And that's when we stepped in to try to save the species from extinction and bring it back again. This Alalā egg is extremely exciting. It's the very first egg to hatch this season, and it's unique because it's the earliest egg that has ever hatched in over 20 years of breeding. When we get a brand new chick, it's lots of work to take care of them. Our hardworking staff work from 6 in the morning until 8 in the evening and feed the chick every other hour. We have these specialized incubators that we use to keep the eggs warm at a constant temperature and constant humidity. And that's just to make sure that the conditions are perfect for the egg to develop and hatch successfully. What we're doing with these eggs that are hatching is we'll take a DNA sample from these and send it off to the University of Hawaii at Hilo. And researchers there will do a big genetic study to determine if there's certain genes that are associated with eggs that are more likely to hatch than others.
When a species gets down to a small population size, they tend to lose a lot of genetic diversity. So we're trying to understand how much genetic diversity they have left and trying to figure out, using the genetics, how to manage the population, how to help reintroduce those birds back into the wild.
The Alalā are an important part of the forest. I mean, they're an important seed disperser of the native Hawaiian plants, and they're also really important from a cultural perspective. Alalā will be released this September in a natural area reserve close to Volcano here on Hawaii Island. This coming release is the first release since the 1990s, so it's extremely exciting for the Alalā to be back in the wild again.